Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my social media, which is the New Day Outdated Planner in a dashboard layout from the Happy Planner. So I am going to be redating this really quickly, but before that, as always, I make my own page on the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size and punch it. We're gonna glue it in and then trim it around the edges. So here we go. This was last week, and then now this will be this week. This will be the week of the 25th through the 31st of July 2022. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. So as you can see, I'm just using a permanent double-sided glue runner or tape runner, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gluing the page down to the best of my ability. I loved last week's spread, like a lot. I love the pink and black a lot more than I thought I would have. So this time we're gonna be using stickers from Live Love Posh again, from the Lux Living collection. So I'm going to be creating a spread with that. And why do I do that? I wanted to say thank you. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I really hope you like it here. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, say hello so I can say hello back. I would love to welcome you to my channel. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, don't forget to comment, say what you think about the spread I'm making, tell me how your day is going, and I am beyond thankful that you are choosing to spend time with me. So I just wanted to say a special thank you to all of you who are coming back here. So I'm just gonna place this really cozy girl in this really cozy world. So I'm gonna go ahead and place all of these like really cute stickers down as I'm making a spread. Yes, I do have a habit of putting stickers on the back of my hand for some reason. I don't know why, but yes, I do that, so I can't help it. Okay, so I'm just adding elements to my spread as I go. This has so many lovely things, I can't even start to talk about it. Like, look at all of this. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna place another rose. These roses, there's just something about them, and they're really pretty. They're probably not the most beautiful roses I've seen, but they're just so unique and different the way they are drawn. I really like it. So I'm just using the same collection, so 2 pages from here, and that's all it really is. Home is where the heart is. I'm gonna pull out some washi tape that matches this the most precisely, so that is it. And I'm gonna be playing with that just a bit to add some more color into my spread. I don't know if you guys use washi in your spreads. I have my moments where I use washi non-stop, and then I stop, and then I come back, and then I stop, and my stash is so huge that I don't know. What do you guys do with a humongous stash that you know that even if you lived 100 years, you probably could not use it all? So at this point, I probably have around 300 rolls or so of washi, which is insane for a single person to have, right? I am planning to have a de-stash giveaway for you guys pretty soon, so I'm working on deciding which pieces I want, which I don't, or maybe I'll just make like sample cards. I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet. Same thing with stickers. I am running out of room, so I am planning to share some of my very, very large stash pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm not ready just yet, but I think once August settles, I'll be kind of ready to do that. Home is our happy place, which it is. I love my baths. I can't help it. Okay, and I just pulled the agenda 52, and I've been using this black round stickers. I don't know if this goes super well with this, but I do like them. So I'm just gonna redate really quickly. I thought this redating will be a lot more cumbersome than it is. I really do enjoy using this planner, and it has turned out that I do not mind redating my planner at all. So I guess there we go, I learned something. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add some really lovely boxes to the spread in blue from the Mojo Jojo summer sticker boxes. So let's see. I'm gonna use the blue ones for sure to bring in all of that lovely navy blue into the spread. I am really enjoying how the spread is turning out. I hope you guys are too, because it is kind of special and different, and I am excited. So I'm gonna see if I can find this pink, this pale pink, and my pastels. And I'm gonna add a few more boxes for additional videos. So here we go. I think that is good. And let me see if I can kind of play a little bit and add washi tape like this. Sometimes I like doing little scraps of washi like this to add some different character to the spread, kind of like a veil on top of washi, because you can still see the colors, but they're behind like a little veil. I like that scrappy look once in a while. How do you guys feel about that? Or do you prefer the clean lines? I typically prefer clean lines, but once in a while I get in a mood of being scrappy like this. That is all I have for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my planner. Maybe I'll add one more rose right there and just cut it off. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's more balanced. So I'm just gonna trim the pieces. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I shall see you for another plan with me very shortly. But for now, thanks for joining and have a great day. Bye.